Hello everyone, my name is Ishan Abbas and today I am gonna discuss on a topic security. Security of computers. Computer security is the process of preventing and detecting unauthorized use of your computer. Prevention may help you to stop unauthorized users from accessing any part of your computer system. Detection helps you to determine whether or not someone attempt to break into your system, if they were successful and what they may have done. We use computers for everything from banking and investing to shopping and communicating with others through email or chat program. Although you may not consider your communication top secret, you probably do not want strangers reading your mails, using your computer to attack other systems, sending forget email from your computer, or examining personal information stored on your computer. Sources of threats to computers security. Person, group of people, or even some phenomena unrelated to human activity can serve as an information security threat. Falling from this, all threat sources break down into three groups. The human factor. This group of threat concern the actions of people with authorized or unauthorized access to information. Threats in this group can be divided into external, including cyber criminals, hackers, internet scams, unprincipled patrons, and criminal structures. And the internal, like including actions of a company, staff, and user of home PCs. Actions taken by this group could be deliberate or accidental. The technological factor. This threat group is connected with technical problems, equipments, and becoming obsolete and poor quality software and hardware for processing information. This all leads to equipment failure and often to data loss. The natural disaster factor. This threat group includes any number of events brought on by nature and other events independent of human activity. Types of threats like worms. This malicious program category largely exploits operating system vulnerabilities to spread itself. The class was named for the way of worm crawl from computer to computer using networks and emails. These features give many worms a rather high speed in spreading themselves. Next is virus. Program that infects other program, adding their own code to them again to gain of control the infected files when they are opened. This simple definition explains the fundamental action performed by a virus infection. The third one is Trojans, programs that carry out unauthorized action on computers such as deleting information on drives, making the system hang, stealing confidential information. Trojans cannot break into computers on their own and are spread by hackers who disguise them as regular software. The fourth one is spyware, software that collects information about a particular user or organization without their knowledge. You might never guess that you have spyware installed on your computer. The fifth one is like riskware. Potentially dangerous application include software that has no malicious features but could form part of the development environment for malicious program or could be used by hackers as auxiliary components for malicious programs. The last one is like rootkits. Utilities used to conceal malicious activity. They ask malicious program to keep antivirus program from detecting them. Rootkits modify the operating system on the computer and alter its basic function to hide its own existence, an action that the hacker undertakes on the infected computers. Now, computer security's advantages and disadvantages. Computer security is essential for every computer system. User must make use their antivirus program or and firewall are up to date. Advantages and disadvantages of computer system security are listed below, and the advantages may be like protection from hackers in computer security, help from protect from hackers, protection from fraud, also protection from accidental download of viruses and other malware. It protects from accidental download of spyware. It protects from data corruption and theft. There are some disadvantages like there are some legal issues regarding many things, and social issues are also there, ethical issues, and high cost of antivirus programs, security programs that take up space on hard drive. That is the big disadvantage. That is all from me. Thank you.